to leave South Australia. How are you feeling? You've been driving for 4 hours.
Yeah, right.
Feeling good?
I don't mind it.
Gotta stop soon.
My back's a little sore, but I'm alright. I like driving.
Apart from the kids driving us mad.
Oh, they're asleep, so we're pushing on.
Oh yeah. This is how we are ending our last half an hour. I'm in the back with the kids. They've gone crazy. I've gone crazy. Josh has gone crazy. We're all gone a little bit crazy. Let's go.
So yeah, I can see it. Yes, I can see it. I can see a car. Yes, I can see it. I'm gonna get out first.
Yep.
Boom, 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 boom.
What is that? Happy birthday, buddy. Yeah, they're all yours.
They're all your presents.
I got hey, look at all the balloons.
Hey everyone, so we are back in Victoria, staying at Josh's mum and dad's house for the time being, just doing some self-isolation, keeping ourselves safe and everyone else safe. So yeah, just thought we'd give you a bit of an update. We did leave, it took about 9.5 hours yesterday from South Australia with the 2 kids. We did about 2 stops, so yeah, it was pretty good. Josh was knackered, he did a really good job, but we're here and we're safe. Yep. What are we making?
My birthday cake.
Woohoo!
Happy birthday!
So, as you all know, the coronavirus has bloody hit everywhere, which it happens. Like, you can't do anything to change that. Like, it is what it is, and that's all it is. So, we are at Josh's parents' house in Victoria, Ballarat. So, we're back here. We're just going to stay here until this whole thing blows over. It's probably the safest place for us at the moment. We don't want to be stuck somewhere not knowing when we can leave, etc, etc. So yeah, we're just here. We're gonna, you know, do some things to the van, work on the business. We're going to also be bringing you a lot of travel tips, adjustments we made, modifications we did to the car, the caravan, giving lots of value to you because we want to keep providing you with these amazing videos. So yeah, stay tuned because we've got lots of things to share. It is hard work painting, isn't it? Painting the fence? Oh dear. What's going on here? Bit of cleaning?
Yep. Sand and salt. We've been at the beach for the last one.
Yeah.
How long?
Month?
Yeah.
6 weeks?
Probably 6 weeks.
8 weeks,
so
something.
Yeah, I've just done the car. The car's all clean.
Yeah.
Sand and salt's off that. So now I'm just pressure washing the van and give it a bit of a scrub and all.
We've been stuck. Well, we're stuck here now, aren't we?
Yeah, so we're in a bit of a lockdown for a moment.
Nothing we can
too
do.
Much, I don't think, but yeah, what do? Just stay inside, stay safe.
What's in your picture?
The rainbow.
And what does it say?
So why you Tate?
It says, I'm Riley Tate. Shut the gate. And why did you do a rainbow?
Because I like rainbows.
And so all the little kids outside can find them when they go for walks with their mummies and daddies.
They go for a walk with their mum and daddies.
And they find the rainbows in the windows.
And they find the rainbows in the windows.
That's cool. Let's go put it up. That's better. Now all the kids are going to be able to find your rainbow. How cool's that?
Good.
High five. Good job.
Thank you for watching.
What are they going to look for?
Look for the windows onto.
For the rainbows in the windows.
Look for the rainbows in the windows.